Welcome to Calling BS with BS. I am your host Brian. Today is sort of an impromptu video. I actually wasn't going to do a video today, but my wonderful wife brought me a gift and I wanted to share that with you, do an unboxing, and kind of give my honest thoughts and opinions on it. So that gift being the Smart Sensor A5 wireless charger for the car. Now these things are actually pretty slick. My wife has one of these and I actually kind of like it. She saw that I was playing around with it a lot and she decided to get one for me. So I thought I'd share that with you. So let's go ahead and unbox this guy, see what we got. So it looks like she got me the chrome silver version, which is pretty cool. I like it. It's a sleek design. It's going to go good in my car. I got a brand new 2020 Camry, so this will be a nice little addition to it. I'm always finding a hard time to find a place for my phone. I'm either sticking it in the cup holder or somewhere else. Sometimes it falls down. So the rest of the stuff that comes in the box here is you got the clip that goes onto the air conditioning vents to keep it right there in front of you and keep it stabilized. You got the USB wire right here, and the USB wire is going to hook into, you can either hook it into the car. My car has a USB port, but it's also got this that you can hook it into in case your car's a little older and doesn't have a USB port. You can hook it into the lighter and then that'll power it as well. So what we're going to do now is we're going to head on out and we're going to go ahead and hook this up to the car. I'm going to show you how it works. We're going to take a look at it, and then we're going to come back, and I'll give you my thoughts and opinions, all right? So we'll be right back. Sit tight. All right, guys, so here we are in the car. I'm not really going to go over the intricacies of how to plug this thing in and everything, because I'm pretty sure everybody could figure it out. But I'm just going to show you how this works. So we got everything set up. I'll set it up right here. Like so. Alright, so we got it plugged in properly. Put the phone in front. You can see it opens up. Place the phone in, closes up on it. Pretty steady. Got a button in the back, releases it. And there you go. That's actually pretty cool. Neat little item. I like it. Alright guys, so we just saw how the product works. In my opinion, this is actually a really cool little gadget. I'm definitely going to be using this every time I get in my car. So on my BS scale, this is going to be an awesome. I think this is a 5 out of 5. I highly recommend this item, and I will be leaving a link for the item in the description below, so make sure you check it out. And then also, don't forget, hit that subscribe button to support the channel. I appreciate everybody that does come to the channel and watch, and I appreciate everybody that does subscribe. Until next time, I'm out of here.